Hey guys, I am back with my first Dollar Tree haul for June. I again went by the Dollar Tree in Meadowvale, and while I still didn't find any of the new stickers that I was actually looking for, I did manage to find quite a few things that were new to me. Starting with the groceries and the not so new to me stuff, I picked up 2 loaves of the Villaggio bread that I like, along with a package of English muffins, just because. I grabbed another 4 bottles of the Slim Fast protein shakes because they're really handy to have on hand. My local stores seem to be running out, so I wanted to make sure I'm stocked up. I picked up another pack of the peanut butter Rolos. I grabbed a box of the Special K pastry crisps to try out. This is the first time I've seen this flavor at my store. They usually only have the Oreo flavor. And I got a box of the Nature Valley Cocoa Almond Butter Biscuits to try. I'd only seen this in other people's haul videos before this trip, so I was excited to see them in person this time. And then this store still had quite a bit of multi-craft stuff available, and actually it kind of looked like maybe they'd even put some more out. Like, some of the racks were pretty full. So I definitely did some more panic buying there. To start with, I got another set of the craft clamps, simply because there's only 6 in the package, and I just have this feeling that one day I'm gonna need like 8 of them or something, so I thought I'd grab a second pack. I grabbed 2 sets of the 1/4-inch pop dots. I picked up 2 packages of the sequin stickers because I have been eyeing them for a while now, so into the cart they went, and this was the only color they had. I got 1 set of the Balloon Blast gems, again because I've been eyeing them for a bit, and again this was the only color they had. I picked up 2 of these epoxy sticker enamel dot type things. Again, this was the only color combo that they had available. I got 1 set of these pearl and gem border stickers, and I grabbed 1 each of the pink and blue jewel croppet stickers. And then finally I grabbed some jot stickers that were new to me, but still none of these are the ones on my list. So I grabbed 1 set of these wedding stickers. I picked up 2 sets of these heart stickers, which remind me a lot of those random Hobby Lobby stickers I think they were that I picked up at Dollarama during Valentine's Day. And then I found these stickers that remind me a lot of the stickers that I found at Wow What a Deal not that long ago. Especially this set. This set looks a ton like a set that I think is by Forever in Time, that I picked up and put back a couple of times at both Wow What a Deal and your dollar store with more. And it looks so much like it, like I'm actually wondering if it's the same set just repackaged, because it looks freakishly the same. So I grabbed 2 of those. I also got 2 of this boy-themed set, which was nice to find since it's so hard to find masculine crafting items. And finally, I picked up 2 of these watercolory vacation-themed stickers that I just thought were really pretty. And that is it for this haul. What's still on your Dollar Tree wish list? I'm sure I'm not the only one still on the hunt for stuff, right? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please give it a share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little bell in the corner to be notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one.